lost this spoon this morning. I don't know what the hell he's using. This is like freaking 15-pound test line. Knuckleheads. Everybody's a knucklehead. Well, we will leave the spoon for somebody else, because I would jig with this ice fishing, but I would not throw this in a stream. It's too heavy. Thing's got to be 3/8 of an ounce on like 15-pound test line. Freaking guy's bass fishing in a trout stream. The line in my pocket, and then let's put the spoon up here. Some guy will be like, wow, I found the spoon today in a tree. There we go. How's that? I think that looks pretty good. Pay it forward.